Hi guys, it's Rebecca from thinkcrucial.com, and today we're going to be replacing the jar cap, ice blade, and sealing ring with your Think Crucial branded Oster Blender jar cap, ice blade, and sealing ring. Part numbers 4961 and 4902. Made to fit your Oster Simple Blend blender. Always make sure that your blender is unplugged before changing any parts, and please be very careful because the blades are very sharp. Remove the pitcher top. Turn the blender over. Remove the base by turning slowly counterclockwise. Slowly lift off the black base. Then, carefully grab the blade and the sealing ring to remove. After removing the base, place the pitcher upside down. Grab the blade and sealing ring. With the blade facing down and into the pitcher, place it onto the glass, making sure that the rubber sealing ring is against the glass. Then take your jar cap and, turning clockwise, gently tighten. That's it. You're ready to replace the pitcher onto the blender. Remember, with thinkcrucial.com, it's always free shipping and it costs so much less. Visit us at thinkcrucial.com for all of your household and replacement parts. Thanks for watching.